Friends, welcome to your computer class. In this video, we will learn selecting themes and theme colors before creating presentation and after creating presentation, selecting background style, inserting pictures in a slide from file or gallery in Apache OpenOffice Impress. OpenOffice Impress is a software used for creating effective presentations. It is provided by Apache OpenOffice Suite. To open OpenOffice Impress, we will click on Start button. Then click on All Programs. Then click on OpenOffice org. Then click on OpenOffice Impress. This screen appears. The window is called Presentation Wizard window. Step 2. Select empty presentation from Presentation Wizard window. Click on Next button. This screen appears. Now select slide design. Slide design that we choose will appear in preview. Now click on Next button. This screen appears. Click on Create button. A presentation with the selected theme is created. The other option 2 is used to first create a plain presentation and then select a slide design. Instead of creating slide design in beginning, we can create plain presentation. Later we can choose a suitable design. Then follow the same steps. Click on Start button. Then click on All Programs. Click on OpenOffice org. Then click on OpenOffice Impress. This screen appears. Select the empty presentation from the Presentation Wizard window. Click on Create button. An empty presentation is created. To select slide design, click on the Format menu in the menu bar and go to Slide Design. Slide Design window appears. Click on Load button. Load Slide Design window appears. Select Presentation Background and Option from Categories menu box. Now choose the desired template from a list of sample templates. Click on OK and slides will get the selected theme. Now third one, to selecting background styles. Background styles option can be applied on the slides by using Styles and Formatting option. Step 1. Click on Format menu. Then select Styles and Formatting option. Styles and Formatting window appears. Right click on the background option. Click on Modify option. Now we can modify background by selecting these options. The shortcut for selecting Styles and Formatting option is F11. Now fourth one, how can we insert pictures in our presentation? Inserting pictures in slides can make the presentation more interesting. We will save pictures in the Pictures folder for inserting in our presentation. We can insert picture in two ways, from file and from gallery. First we will insert image in a slide from file. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Go to Pictures. Select from file. The Insert Picture dialog box opens. Step 2. Choose the desired picture and click on Open. The selected picture is inserted. Now we will insert image in a slide from gallery. Gallery is an area where we find various themes or groups like backgrounds, bullets, home page, diagrams, computers, arrows, etc. Step 1. Click on Tools in the menu bar. Then click on Gallery. Step 2. Select the theme of your choice. Various pictures available here. To insert image, take a cursor on the image and then right click on the image. Go to Insert option. Click on Copy or Link option. The selected picture is inserted. Dear students, using these options, prepare a presentation containing minimum 5 slides on any topic of your choice, for example, good habits or uses of computer, etc. Thank you.